You're watching How Leap. Let's fix WhatsApp not showing all gallery albums and photos. First, check app permissions. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, tap Photos, and ensure WhatsApp is set to all photos. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions, and ensure storage or photos and videos is allowed. Next, restart your phone. This refreshes the connection between apps and your gallery. Then update WhatsApp from your app store. An outdated app can have bugs. Also, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap WhatsApp, then offload app and reinstall. Finally, check if your photos are saved in a secure folder or hidden album that WhatsApp cannot access by default. Move them to your main gallery. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.